So this video, I'm going to show you how I do my wash and goes. Right here, I am just separating my hair into 4 parts. I try to make them 4 equal parts. That way I can wash my hair in 4 separate sections and it makes the work a little bit easier. I'm using Thank God I'm Natural for shampoo, Mielle leave-in conditioner, my Essential 17 hair oil, and then my favorite, Pillow Soft Curls by Miss Jessie. So I wash each portion separately. I finger detangle as I'm going, and I just make sure to lather each section. In this video, you won't see it, but I lather each section twice, just with the Thank God I'm Natural shampoo. I go through each section and wash those. And this is a length check right here. So now I'm showing you how I lather up really well, get it very soaked, and then just try to scratch so that I can make sure to get all of the leftover conditioner or leftover particles from the last time I did my wash and go. And as a side note, I only do my wash and go 1 time a week. So typically I wash my hair either on a Saturday or a Sunday, and it lasts me a full week. This is another length check just to show the back that I do have length. Rinsing it all out. Okay, now I'm going in with my leave-in conditioner. I put it in a different bottle because it's a little bit easier to spray in that bottle that I have. Then I also go behind with my oil. I try to get it in each little section, and then I also spread it in my hands and rub it through my hair. Then I put a generous amount of Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls into my hand, and I work it into each section. So I'm doing what's called the raking method, meaning that I'm trying to rake my hands through. This helps with making sure that each strand is coated. And then it also makes sure that I'm detangling as I go through. So the thing that I like about the leave-in conditioner, the hair oil, and Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls is that it has great slip, meaning that it allows my fingers to slip through my hair and it makes detangling so much easier. So I go through and I make sure that each section is coated well. Here I'm just showing you how I do the back. It's easier for me to do it all on my left side of my hair because that's easier to get in the camera. But I make sure to work it all the way through, and then what I do is twist each section up, and then I get out of the shower and start what I call the shingling method. So after I've made sure that each section is thoroughly detangled and has enough product on it, I go through and I take separate strands and I shingle them. So I circle them in my hand a little bit because it makes the curls a little bit easier when they're clumped like this, and it's a natural clump to it. So I'm just clumping here. I'm showing you the other side of my head. And this whole process can take about an hour or so because I have a big head. So usually when I'm doing this, I have like a good show that I'm watching on my phone, or I put on some music because it takes a while. But tonight I can't do that because I'm doing the video. So I had to record the entire time. But yeah, like I said, the shingling method, you pull apart each little piece of hair as you can, and then you twirl it. So this is just showing you the end result after my full head has been shingled. So it shows you the curl definition and the thickness of my hair. This is my makeshift hair salon. This is a sit-down hair dryer that I have. I got it from Sally Beauty Supply. I sit under there for about 30 minutes to an hour. Like I said before, usually I'm watching a good show, Atlanta Housewives or some mess like that. So here I am doing a little bit of blow drying. Typically I use a diffuser. This time I decided not to. My hair was taking too long to dry, so sometimes I go in with that. This is what I call the banding method. So it helps to stretch my hair out. Now, usually I'll sleep with this in overnight, but I just put it in today for a few hours to see if I could stretch my hair. It allows you to stretch your hair without using heat. A lot of my sections require 2 of the stretchy bands, but it just depends on the length of your hair. Some people only use 1. And now we're getting to the finished results. Feeling myself. The camera's kind of drying my curls out a little bit, but my hair is very moisturized and looks great. I don't use gel, so my hair is very flexible. I don't have a cast to break. And that's the video, guys. End result, glistening, glowing, and beautiful.